Now, if you haven't used your Delonghi Magnifica S coffee machine in a while, 3 or 4 days, it's recommended to clean the internal circuit. It's really simple to do. All we have to do is put a container underneath the spouts here, and we need to press this button 2 or 3 times. 1 time will be a rinse. So if we press it once, you will see it will put hot water out of both of the spouts. So that's 1 rinse. We need to do that 2 or 3 times. So I'm going to do it again now. Ignore the fact that we've got a red light here. This machine needs descaling. That will be in another video. And 1 more time. Now we also want to clean out the internal circuit that deals with the cappuccino maker. So we're going to move this over to here, and we're going to put this over to on. And you will see that hot water will now come shooting out of here. I'm just going to leave it for 20 seconds or so. And then we just turn it off by going back to 0. And that's it. That's how you clean out the nozzles here and the cappuccino maker here. Thanks for watching.